So what do we got going on today? So today, as you can see, my car is a mess with tools and this beautiful carbon fiber splitter. So this splitter is from C7 Carbon. We're gonna unload this car and pull the splitter out, show you guys everything, and we're gonna get started. I bought this a couple months ago. I want to say like 2.5 months ago. It just came the other day. I haven't had time to install it, but today that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this splitter on and it's gonna look good. Now unfortunately it's been raining, so I'm gonna be soaked laying on this floor, but it is what it is. All right, so here is the splitter. Yeah, it looks hella good. It's pretty good quality. Didn't come with any scratches or anything like that. I think it costs like $700 plus 100 and some, or just under 200 for shipping, which I know is expensive, but you're gonna pay that for carbon fiber. The reason I got this style is because it has this here. When you get the ZR1 style lip for the C5s, they usually have an opening here and there, and this is closed off. But this right here is where all the air goes in, so people usually have to cut in here, and I didn't want to have to do that. I just wanted to buy a splitter that's ready to go. It's not gonna cause the car to overheat or nothing like that. If you don't have a cam or anything like that, you'll be able to get away with the other style lip. But for me, I plan on camping this car, and I want it to be as efficient as possible. I don't want to have any overheating issues, have to cut my splitter. So that's why I got this. Plus, there's nothing better than some carbon. So we're gonna jack the car up and we're gonna get under there and start doing this. You do have to drill a couple holes, but I'm not really worried about it. For some reason, my splitter didn't come with instructions for the install. I'm not really sure why, but I think it's gonna be all right. I watched a couple videos and I should be good. So I'm just gonna figure it out as I go. If I can't figure it out, I'll look it up. All right, so what have I done so far? So far this install is pretty simple. You just gotta take these side pieces off here that catch the air, and plate that goes in here. Same thing on this side. You have to take this piece right here off. Sits up in here like this, something like that up in there. To do that, just take these two bolts out here and here and slide it back. It pops right down, and you need to do that to get access to these. Now this hole, and also you need to take this screw out here. These three hold the splitter in place. These are the only pre-drilled holes on the car. I'm talking, these are the only holes in the car that actually have screws that this splitter sits into. The rest you got to drill out, which is not a big deal. It actually makes it easier because you can put these in and the splitter will hold itself up. And yeah, so we're gonna get to putting these on, getting the splitter split on here, and start drilling some holes. That looks way better. It looks way better. The fitment is really nice. I just got done buttoning everything else up. I mean, like baby hair gap, not even. The fitment is really, really nice. So, I mean, I guess you get what you pay for. But yeah, that looks good. Makes you want to get the side splitters right away. Also, the reason I did is because the money. Oh, also installed that badge versus the silver one. Side splitters I think are like $5.50. I might spring for those next. I really want rims, and I really want the carbon wide body, so we'll see what happens. Also, I got a surprise for you guys. Something I bought for this car. It's not gonna go on for a little bit. So more parts to order to install what I'm getting. That's a hint. So, but you'll see that in the next video. All in all, I'm really, really impressed with this product. They also gave me extra hardware, which I love. So, it's expensive, but the carbon looks really good. The weave is really nice. Let me show you guys the headlights. All right. Yeah, looks real good. But that's all I got for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you bought this splitter, I hope you watch this, and it's an easy install for you. If you have any questions, comment down below. I respond to everybody. So anyways, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.